I suggest you get a fucking brake like that, where you're charging out at fucking all places. You know, a bad break or a bad bruising or bad sprain, just fucking become a personal trainer. They usually do work for payment, so you like clean the gym, work the till, and do all their passes and stuff, their whatever that's called, memberships. And then, yeah, that pays for your schooling, and then they give you so much for income too. Just do a percentage. Usually, they do in Canada anyway. It's good education, and then you won't fall for anything. Maybe you're playing in the sky. Oh, I can't see it. Well, you kinda can. Flying at night. Holy shit. Mark, I'm right here. I'm right here. He flies helicopter. Yeah, he does. He's the babe that I always said was such a babe. I grew up with him too. But I'm the best fighter jet flyer, and he's the best helicopter flyer. And then my brother, my half brother, best bucket plane and bucket helicopter flyer in the world too. In the world too, like evenly with like doing healthy competition with the States. Nathan Shepard. Fuck, that's cool. It's coming down. It's coming down. Slowly but surely, I think. Sorry for scaring you. It's kind of nosediving because it's so windy. Can you see it? You can't see it? Oh, that sucks. Oh, you can if I shade it. Holy fuck, you're gonna miss a helicopter crash.